Forti-Tester Online Training. What is Forti-Tester and how does it enhance network security testing? Forti-Tester Overview and Role in Network Security Testing. Forti-Tester is a security testing and validation solution from Fortinet designed to assess the performance, effectiveness, and scalability of network security infrastructure. It provides realistic traffic simulations, attack emulation, and stress testing to help organizations evaluate how well their security appliances, policies, and architectures perform under different conditions. Key features of Forti-Tester. 1. Traffic and attack simulation. Generates real-world application traffic, HTTP, VoIP, email, etc., to test network resilience and performance. Simulates cyber attacks, DDoS attacks, and exploits to identify weaknesses in network defenses. 2. Performance and load testing. Measures how security devices, example firewalls, IPS, and web application firewalls, perform under high traffic loads. Identifies bottlenecks and helps optimize configurations. 3. Security effectiveness validation. Tests security appliances against known threats, malware, and exploits. Helps verify that security policies and configurations are properly blocking threats. 4. DDoS testing and mitigation. Emulates volumetric, protocol-based, and application layer DDoS attacks. Validates the effectiveness of DDoS protection solutions. 5. Cloud and virtualization support. Supports testing of on-premises, cloud, and hybrid environments. Can be deployed as a virtual appliance, VM, for flexible testing. How Forti-Tester enhances network security testing. Identifies security gaps. Simulates realistic cyber threats to uncover vulnerabilities before attackers exploit them. Optimizes network performance. Helps security teams fine-tune firewall rules, IPS signatures, and DDoS protection mechanisms. Improves incident response readiness. Provides actionable insights on how the network would respond to a security incident. Ensures regulatory compliance. Helps meet security testing requirements for ISO 27001, NIST, PCI DSS, and GDPR. Validates security investments. Ensures security solutions deliver expected protection and performance levels. How to set up and configure Forti-Tester for performance testing. Setting up and configuring Forti-Tester for performance testing involves several steps, from deployment to executing test scenarios. Below is a step-by-step guide. 1. Deploying Forti-Tester. Forti-Tester can be deployed as a hardware appliance, virtual machine, VM, or cloud-based instance. A. Hardware deployment. Connect Forti-Tester to the test environment via appropriate network ports. Ensure power and network connectivity. B. Virtual machine deployment. Deploy Forti-Tester on VMware ES11, KVM, or other supported hypervisors. Allocate sufficient CPU, memory, and storage. Configure network interfaces for management and testing. C. Cloud-based deployment. Use Forti-Tester Cloud or deploy it in AWS, Azure, or other cloud platforms. Assign necessary security groups and permissions. 2. Initial configuration. Once deployed, configure FortiTester via the web UI or CLI. A. Access the FortiTester GUI. Connect a PC to FortiTester's management port. Set a static IP on your PC in the same subnet. Access the GUI via HTTPS FortiTester IP. B. Basic setup. Login, default credentials. Username, admin. Password, leave blank, set upon first login. Set hostname, time, and DNS. Configure network interfaces for test traffic and management. 3. Setting up performance tests. FortiTester supports various performance tests, including firewall, IPS, NGFW, and application testing. A. Create a new test. Navigate to Test Management, create new test. Select a test type, such as throughput test, example TCP/UDP, HTTP, HTTPS. Firewall performance test. SSL/TLS performance test. What are the key features of FortiTester for load and stress testing? FortiTester is a network performance and security testing solution from Fortinet designed for load and stress testing. It helps organizations validate the capacity, performance, and security of their networks, applications, and security appliances. Here are the key features of FortiTester for load and stress testing. 1. Traffic generation for load testing. Simulates real-world traffic scenarios to test network and application performance. Supports high-scale Layer 4 and Layer 7, L4, L7, traffic generation. Emulates thousands to millions of concurrent users and sessions. 2. Application layer testing. Tests web applications, APIs, and cloud services for scalability. Supports HTTP, HTTPS, DNS, SIP, FTP, and email protocols. Simulates realistic application traffic for performance evaluation. 3. Network security testing. Tests the effectiveness of security appliances like firewalls, intrusion prevention systems, IPS, and DDoS mitigation solutions. Includes predefined and customizable attack patterns. Can simulate SSL/TLS encrypted traffic for testing decryption and inspection performance. 4. DDoS and attack simulation. Generates simulated distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks. Helps assess the robustness of security infrastructure against various attack vectors. Tests mitigation strategies for volumetric and application layer attacks. 5. Performance benchmarking. Measures throughput, latency, and packet loss under different load conditions. Provides real-time analytics and historical trend reporting. Helps in capacity planning and infrastructure optimization. 6. Stateful traffic replay. Allows capturing and replaying real-world traffic patterns. Helps recreate production-like environments for accurate testing. Useful for validating performance after network upgrades or changes. 7. Cloud and virtual deployment. Supports both physical and virtual appliance deployments. Compatible with on-premises, private cloud, and public cloud environments. Scalable architecture to support different testing scenarios. 8. Intuitive user interface and automation. Web-based dashboard for test configuration and real-time monitoring. REST API support for integration with CI/CD pipelines. Supports automation and scripting for continuous performance testing. How to simulate cyber threats using FortiTester. Simulating cyber threats using FortiTester allows you to test your network's security posture by emulating real-world attack scenarios, performance testing, and validating security device effectiveness. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Set up FortiTester. Deploy FortiTester in a virtual or physical environment. Ensure it has proper network connectivity to your firewall, IPS, or other security appliances. 2. Configure FortiTester for cyber threat simulation. A. Log in to FortiTester. Access the FortiTester GUI via a web browser. Navigate to System, Network to configure interface settings. B. Set up security testing scenarios. Go to Security Test Cases. Choose a test type. Exploit attack, simulate known vulnerabilities. Malware test, generate real-world malware samples. DOS/DDoS attack, simulate denial of service attacks. Brute force attack, test authentication security. Phishing and social engineering simulation, check user awareness. C. Select attack traffic profiles. Define parameters such as attack source and destination IPs, attack traffic rate and packet size, payload selection, example CVE-based exploits, botnets, phishing. D. Configure network devices and routing. Specify the firewall, IDs, or IPS as the target. Ensure correct VLANs and IP routes for proper attack simulation. 3. Execute the cyber threat simulation. Start the test case execution. Monitor real-time logs and analytics. Observe how security devices respond to different attacks. 4. Analyze test results. Review logs in security test results. Attack success failure rate. Detection efficiency of security tools. Performance metrics, latency, packet drops. How to conduct application and network penetration testing with FortiTester. FortiTester is a powerful tool for conducting application and network penetration testing by simulating real-world attack scenarios to assess security resilience. Below is a structured guide on how to conduct penetration testing using FortiTester. 1. Setup and configuration. A. Install and configure FortiTester. Deploy FortiTester in your environment, on-premises or cloud. Ensure it's connected to the network segment where tests will be performed. Configure IP addressing and routing for accessibility. B. Define testing scope. Identify target applications, networks, and devices. Choose between Layer 4 to 7 application testing or network security validation. Ensure you have permission and avoid testing production environments. 2. Conducting network penetration testing. A. Perform DDoS and traffic flooding attacks. Use FortiTester's traffic simulation to generate high-volume requests. Test against network devices such as firewalls, IDs, IPS, and load balancers. Validate the ability to handle volumetric, protocol-based, and application layer DDoS attacks. B. Firewall policy and IPS testing. Simulate attacks on open ports and services. Test firewall rule enforcement and detection capabilities. Generate intrusion attempts to check IPS efficiency. C. Vulnerability scanning. Utilize Fortitesters' built-in vulnerability assessment tools. Scan network components for misconfigurations and outdated software. Analyze results and patch vulnerabilities. 3. Conducting application penetration testing. A. Web application testing. Test SQL injection, SQL, cross-site scripting, XSS, and command injection. Evaluate WAF, Web Application Firewall, defenses. Use HTTP/HTTPS testing modules to simulate botnet or brute force attacks. B. API security testing. Identify exposed APIs and validate authentication mechanisms. Simulate attacks such as broken authentication and API rate limit bypass. Ensure compliance with OWASP API security best practices. What are the best practices for benchmarking firewalls with Fortitester? Benchmarking firewalls with Fortitester requires a structured approach to ensure accurate, repeatable, and meaningful results. Here are the best practices. 1. Define test objectives. Identify the specific performance metrics you need to evaluate, such as throughput, latency, session handling, attack handling, and application performance. Align the test goals with real-world deployment scenarios, example enterprise, data center, or service provider environments. 2. Prepare the test environment. Ensure that Fortitester and the firewall are on separate subnets to avoid interference. Use high-performance network interfaces, example 10 GB or higher, to minimize bottlenecks. Avoid background traffic on the test network to ensure clean results. 3. Select the right benchmarking tests. Throughput test measures the maximum data the firewall can process. Connection per second, CPS, test evaluates how many new connections per second the firewall can handle. Session capacity test tests how many simultaneous connections the firewall can sustain. Latency test measures response time under different traffic loads. Attack simulation test uses Fortitester's built-in security attack library to measure firewall effectiveness. Application traffic test simulates real-world traffic, example VoIP, video streaming, web browsing, to assess performance impact. 4. Configure test parameters. Define packet size, example 64, 512, 1500 bytes, to simulate different workloads. Set realistic protocol mix, example TCP, UDP, HTTP, HTTPS. Use stateful traffic if testing deep packet inspection, DPI, and security features. 5. Run tests in phases. Start with a baseline test, without security features enabled, to establish raw firewall performance. Gradually enable security features, example IPS, SSL decryption, antivirus, to measure their impact. Perform stress tests to evaluate performance under peak conditions. 6. Monitor and collect metrics. Use Fortitester's dashboard for real-time monitoring. Analyze key performance indicators, KPIs. Throughput, Gbps. Latency, ms. Connections per second. How to generate and analyze test reports in Fortitester? Generating and analyzing test reports in Fortitester involves configuring test scenarios, running the tests, and extracting detailed reports for performance analysis. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Configuring test scenarios. Before generating reports, ensure you have configured the test properly. Log into Fortitester. Access the web UI or CLI of your Fortitester appliance. Create a test profile. Navigate to Test Configuration. Select the type of test, example, traffic generation, application testing, or security testing. Define parameters like traffic type, packet size, session rate, and duration. Assign resources. Select interfaces and test targets, example, FortiGate, other firewalls, or network devices. Configure IP ranges, VLANs, and load parameters. Start the test. Click Run Test and monitor its execution. Ensure the system collects sufficient data. 2. Generating test reports. Once the test execution completes, you can generate reports. Navigate to the Reports section. Go to Logs and Reports, Test Reports. Select the test case you want to generate a report for. Choose the report format. Available formats: HTML, PDF, or CSV. Some Fortitester versions allow custom report generation. Customize report details, optional. Include latency, throughput, success rate, and dropped packets. Filter results based on specific criteria, example per test case, protocol, or time. Generate and download. Click Generate Report and download for further analysis. 3. Analyzing test reports. After generating the report, analyze key performance metrics. Key performance indicators, KPIs. Throughput, Mbps or Gbps, measures the maximum traffic Fortitester can generate. Latency, ms, response time for test packets. Why choose ProExcellency for Fortitester online training? ProExcellency offers a comprehensive Fortitester online training program designed to equip participants with in-depth knowledge and practical skills in network security testing. Here are key reasons to choose ProExcellency for your Fortitester training. Expert-led training. Courses are led by industry experts and certified professionals with extensive experience, ensuring that learners gain practical knowledge alongside theoretical concepts. Expatriates. Comprehensive and up-to-date curriculum. The training curriculum covers all essential concepts, from fundamentals to advanced topics, and is regularly updated to align with the latest industry trends and updates. Expatriates. Flexible learning modes. ProExcellency offers various learning modes, including live instructor-led classes, self-paced learning, and recorded sessions, allowing learners to choose options that best fit their schedules and learning preferences. Expatriates. Practical learning with real-time case studies. The program includes real-time case studies, access to live systems, and projects, enabling participants to gain hands-on experience in real-world scenarios. Expatriates. Access to live systems. Participants receive access to live systems, providing first-hand experience with interfaces, functionalities, and configurations within real job environment scenarios. Expatriates. Certification assistance. The course is structured to assist learners in preparing for certification exams, offering mock tests, practice questions, and comprehensive study materials to enhance exam readiness. Expatriates. Lifetime access to learning materials. Enrolled learners enjoy lifetime access to training materials, recorded sessions, and study guides, facilitating continuous learning and reference. Expatriates. Thank you.